di ako. Sige. Ako na. Huwag na yung mga... Pag bumagsak ito, trabaho ko. Period. And the last drug lord are...
Habang naglalakad kami papuntang destination section, tumunog ang cellphone ni Superintendent Padilla. Nakita ko sa napilindot ni Superintendent Padilla ang kanyang cellphone. Nadinig ko na sinabi nung tumawag kay Superintendent Padilla, "Congrats Superintendent Padilla, job well done." Pero grabe yung ginawang dinuguan. Alam ko na ang kausap ni Superintendent Padilla ay si Presidente Duterte dahil pamilyar ko ang boses niya.
Hindi sila nagkamali. Utang ina, papatayin ko talaga magagawang. My campaign against drug will not stop until the end of my term. That will be 6 years from now. Until the last pusher and the last drug lord are...
Ang nag-utos po?
Oo, naipasok doon sa Bartolina. Sino?
Yung... Hindi po akong nag-utos.
Sino nga? Bakit hindi mo mabanggit sino? Bakit hindi mo mabanggit sino? This will be your last chance.
Nandito po.
I will cite you in contempt.
Ito na lang po. Magbase na po tayo sa nangyari. Bakit napagsama mo yung dalawang bilanggo at saka yung Chinese national na under your regulations, hindi po pwede magsama yung Chinese nationals doon sa mga Pilipino na bilanggo? Paano nagkataon, Mr. Chair, na sabay silang pumasok doon sa Selda 6? Pwede po ba pumasok ang bilanggo sa Bartolina without the approval of the warden? Pwede po ba pumasok ang tatlong Chinese national without the approval of the warden? Ito po ang tatanungin ko sa iyo. Kayo pong warden, alam po ninyo ang lahat ng nangyayari sa bilangguan. Imposible na napasok yung 5 tao sa Selda 6 na magkasama without the prior approval of the warden. Hindi po tayo kindergarten dito, hindi po tayo bata. Alam ho natin yung regulasyon. I was a governor before. Ako ay nagdumala rin ng mga provincial jails and I know the regulations. Wala pong nangyayari ng mga movement ng bilanggo kung wala pong approval ng warden. Yun lang po ang sinasabi ko. So, even if we assume that all these statements of the resource persons are false, pero the fact will belie the truth that you approved the movement of these prisoners na magkasama-sama sila para matupad na yung order sa iyo ni Colonel Garma na patayin yung Chinese national. Hindi po ba?
Mr. Chair, wala pong pag-uusap na nangyari between me and Colonel Garma. Yun po ang totoo. At yung paglalagay po ng mga PDL, prison rules violators, hindi po under sa direct order ko. Sa Bucor po, mayroon pong level of responsibility na kung sino yung arresting officer, ito turn over po yan sa ship commander. Then the ship commander will issue confinement order to the prison disciplinary dormitory. Ganun po ang proseso. Ang superintendent po, wala pong direct na order na binibigay po sa...
Sige, thank you, Superintendent Padilla. Yes, Senior Deputy Speaker Gonzales.
Mr. Chairman, kay Superintendent Padilla po, yung naguguluhan na po, no? Baka in your recollection, basahin ko lang po, itong number 25 sa laysay ni Tata. Pagkatapos ng insidente sa pagpatay sa 3 Chinese drug lords, nilagyan ni Fernando Magdadaro ng malong yung rehas ng Bartolina sa Selda 6 para hindi makita ang duguan na katawan ng 3 Chinese drug lords. Pagkatapos, number 26, baka ma-reminisce po to. Pagkatapos, ay dumating si Superintendent Gerardo Padilla sa Bartolina, Celda 6. At sinabi niya na anong ginamit niyong ihagis sa labas. At ihagis naman namin ang korta at balisong sa labas ng selda. Ito po yung pinakalas. Number 27, napaka-importante nito. Nilabas namin sa selda ang kamay at pinusasan kami ni Sir Poro. Kaya napaka-importante po ni Sir Poro dito. Pinalabas kami para dalhin sa investigation section. Yun po, yung 3 binasa ko sa inyo, Superintendent Padilla. Baka po ma-recall nyo since 2015 to 2018.
Sir Chair, if I may.
Okay, Congressman, are you done, Senior Deputy Speaker? Okay, Congressman Fernandez.
Warden, are you the highest official of the Davao colony? No, use the mic, please.
During that time, Your Honor,
You are the highest official.
Yes,
And
Your
being
Honor.
the highest official of the colony, you supervise on every detail of the instructions that are being meted out by the subordinates. Am I correct?
Not all, Your Honor.
No. What I'm trying to tell you, lahat na nangyayari doon sa colony must pass through your office.
Yes, Your Honor.
More importantly, if there are foreigners that will be transferred to a Bartolina. Am I correct? They are Chinese nationals, and even they are convicted and under the our penitentiary in our colony. Of course, you have to consider yung tinatawag nating direct supervision, di ba?
If I may.
Am I correct? I'm not correct.
Yes, Your
So
Honor.
wala kang pakialam kung ililipat man sila sa Bartolina. Are you saying that? Wala kang pakialam?
Ang sinasabi ko po, we have different level of...
But you are the superintendent.
Yes, I am.
What I'm trying to tell you is, ako halimbawa, ako ang mayor ng City of Santa Rosa. Alam ko lahat ng ginagawa ng mga tao ko. Di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Dapat sa pagiging warden, ikaw ang pinakachismoso doon. Ikaw ang nakakaalam ng lahat.
Pwede
So
po.
in this point, warden, you are trying to tell us nang nilipat yung 3 Chinese who are all foreigners for that matter, hindi mo alam na nilipat sila sa Bartolina.
Pwede pong ipaliwanag,
Go ahead.
Your Honor. Ang PDL, once na mayroon pong violation inside, gagawan po ng report yan, papunta po sa ship commander. Yung ship commander, gagawa siya ng once na ma-determine niya na mayroong violation, gagawa po siya ng confinement order doon sa prison disciplinary dormitory.
Warden, I know there are...
Pero hindi na po yun-
Wait. We know that there are procedures. What we are trying to imply here, that being the warden of that colony, during that time that they were apprehended for having sachet of shabu, tapos nilipat natin sila sa Bartolina. So nung nilipat natin sila sa Bartolina, we all know that these are all foreigners. And these are all foreigners and high-value targets. And together with the 2 PDLs that they committed and they were convicted of murder, putting them together will put those foreigners at risk. Hindi mo ba naisip yon? During that time, na dangerous na ilagay mo yung 3 doon. Sabihin na natin ng mga pusher sila. Sabihin na natin sila mga drug lords. But hindi mo ba inisip na putting together the 5 of them in one Bartolina will put them in danger?
As I said, Your Honor, yung level of responsibility during that time, hindi na po nakaakyat sa akin kasi mayroon pong ship commander from commander of the guards, ship commander, na siya pong gagawa ng report papunta po doon sa prison disciplinary.
Okay, Warden. O sige. Natin na hindi na nakarating sa iyo yung responsibilidad. Hindi mo na nalaman, no? Hindi mo na nalaman. Sabihin na natin. Sino ang nag-approve? Nadalin yung 3 at 2 sa loob ng Bartolina. Sino?
Nandito po sa
Anong pangalan?
report. Meron
Chairman,
pong
Chairman, may I interject? Chairman?
Gusto ko lang malaman, Madam Chair. Ay, Madam Chair. Mr. Chair. Kung sino yung nagsabi, okay, na yung 5 yon magsasama sa loob ng isang Bartolina. Sino?
Okay, before you answer, Ambrosio Padilla, Superintendent Padilla, yes, is that related?
Yeah. Ganito na po, Chairman. Sorry, Colonel. To check and present to us the investigation report. Ang tanong lang ni Chairman Dan is, sino nagutos? If not you, who is? Who?
ang nag-utos po.
Naipasok doon sa Bartolina. Sino?
Yung hindi po akong nag-utos.
Sino nga? Ba't hindi mo mabanggit sino? Ba't hindi mo mabanggit sino? This will be your last chance.
Nandito po
I will cite you in contempt. You're lying.
The commander of the guard.
Sadali, you should not speak. I am speaking unless you're recognized by the chairman. Ang tanong lang diretso, sino nagutos? If not you.
Ang commander of the guards po. Commander of the guards.
Sino?
Inspector Noni Poro, then ipapasa po yan sa
Wag mo akong lituin sa procedure. Is it Foro?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sadali. Foro.
Yes.
Mr. Chairman, let me call Foro to sit. Wag mo ilapit doon kaya sa dulo.
Andito ba si
You're lying eh.
Mr. Poro? Mr. Poro.
Mr.
Ito Foro Chairman, last lang to Chairman I just
the seat there.
No, not beside of Colonel
Dito.
Padilla.
Dito ka.
Doon sa kabila.
Here. Dito, para malapit ka sa amin.
Ito, Chairman, Last lang to, last manifestation lang. Colonel Poro.
Okay.
Have you taken your oath?
Okay, Comsec, please administer the oath of Mr. Poro.
Raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in this public inquiry? So help you God. Thank you.
Chairman, last lang, Chairman. To Colonel po, Colonel ba rank mo ngayon?
Senior Inspector po, Your Honor.
Senior Inspector?
Opo.
Senior Inspector, ikaw ang tinuturo. So you have to decide whether you will cover your former superintendent or ikaw yung mananagot dito. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Okay. Mr. Chairman, kanina si Warden was telling us hindi niya responsibilidad yung pagpapasok ng 5 sa isang Bartolina. And he mentioned that there are levels of approval. 2 ang sinabi niya. Unang level, pangalawang level. Tanong ko sa iyo, Senior Inspector Nonoy Poro, pang ilang level ka sa approval?
Pangalawa po.
Pangalawa.
Actually, pang-tatlo po ako. Your
Pangatlo.
Honor.
So may first level, may second level, ikaw pangatlo. So ikaw ang final approval.
Hindi ang final approval, sir, talaga manggaling sa taas.
So kay Warden,
Opo.
ang final approval.
Opo.
So after your approval, dinala mo kay Warden. So si Warden ang nagsisinungaling. So ngayon, ang final ng approval ng pagpapasok ng 3 Chinese together with the 2 PDLs is under your jurisdiction, Warden. Di ba? Ayun ang sabi ni Senior Inspector Nonoy Poro. Am I right? Kasi ikaw ang sinasabi mo, pangatlong level ka.
From the superintendent, sir. From the superintendent, mayroon pang assistant superintendent for security and operation.
Oo.
Punta po sa akin, commander of the guards. Papunta na po sa ship.
So ikaw ang nagsabi na dalhin yung 3 sa isang Bartolina.
Hindi po.
Sino?
May advice po si Sir Jerry na...
Sino may advice?
May advice po si superintendent.
So may advice si superintendent na
Opo.
ipasok sa isang Bartolina yung 5.
Opo.
O yun. O sabi mo kanina, Warden, wala kang alam. Hindi mo responsibilidad yon.
Ganito ang nangyari po, Your Honor. Nung nagkaroon po ng violation, ginawa ng report ng Commander of the Guards. Then si Commander of the Guards, tinurn over niya sa Ship Commander. Nung time na yon, during that time, ang Bartolina po namin talaga congested nung time na yon. Naglalaman po ng 12, umabot pa ng 15, na ang dapat ideal is nasa 7 lang nung time na yon. Naunang dumating doon sa Bartolina yung dalawa, tapos nung nag-consult po sa akin si Commander Puro kung paano ang sistema, kasi dapat po ang nagdadala dyan, yung ship commander, siya po ang nagdidesisyon kung saang selda po ilalagay.
Alam mo, Warden, kanina sinasabi mo wala kang alam eh. Kasi sinasabi mo level yan ng ng
Opo.
first level, second level, di ba? Third level.
Nagkaroon po ko...
Now. Ngayon, meron na kayong usapan na nag-uusap na pala kayo kung saan ilalagay yung 5. Am I correct? Di ba ngayon sinasabi mo meron na kayong usapan? Kanina hindi mo alam eh. Di ba?
As I recall, Your Honor, kasi sa sobrang tagal, para lumapit
Can you
siya...
please speak louder with your mouth much nearer?
Lumapit siya kasi nagkakaroon kami ng problema nung time na yon dahil dyan sa sistemang yan.
O yun, so wait, putulin kita doon. So alam mo na kayo sa sistemang yon. At alam mo na mga foreigners yun. At alam mo merong 2 na PDLs na ang kakso convicted with murder. Bakit pinagsama mo sila?
Wala naman po kami...
Because of the approval of the 3 levels. Is that what you're trying to say?
As recommended.
As recommended by them.
Yes.
Di ba? So, the final approval lies with you. Am I correct?
Supposed to be...
Answer me.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, so you have the responsibility.
Oh.
Ikaw ang nag-approve na yung 5 magsama-sama sa isang Bartolina.
Pero-
Tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
That is what we are trying to ask. Congressman Johnny Pimentel was asking you.
Pero
Di ba, wait, kanina sinatanong ka ni Congressman Johnny Pimentel. Ang sinasabi mo, wala kang responsibilidad doon. Ang sinasabi mo, first level, second level, and third level responsibility yan. Hindi ko responsibilidad yan. Di ba? Alam mo, Warden, mahirap magtahi-tahi ng kasinungalingan.
Hindi
Di ba?
ako nagsisinungaling, Your Honor.
Alam mo, nakakalungkot. Dahil pinagtatakpan mo yung pagkakasala ng pagpatay doon sa 3 Chinese national. Sabihin na nating pinakamasama na silang tao sa buong mundo. Pero wala tayong karapatan na maging bahagi tayo para magbuwi sila ng buhay. Alam mo ba yun, Warden? Hindi ka ba nakukonsensya? Hindi ka nakukonsensya? Ha?
Nakakonsensya po.
Nakukonsensya ka?
Opo.
So, ngayon nakukonsensya ka na?
Pero wala po akong kinalaman sa nangyaring patayan.
Paano ka na wala kang responsibilidad samantalang sinasabi mo that you have this final approval? Mr. Chairman, I think this person is lying to his state. At nakita naman po natin that kanina sinasabi niya na hindi niya level yung responsibilidad na yon, and now he's changing his testimony na yung final approval na sa kanya because si Senior Inspector Nono Poro told us na ang final approval lies with the warden, which is the right procedure. In any institution, in any agency, it's always the head who have the responsibility of all what is happening in his agency. And that's the reason why, Mr. Chairman, I believe that this person will always lie in this committee.
Thank you, Congressman Fernandez. Ako, may rejoinder lang ako doon sa tanong ni Congressman Dan Fernandez, Superintendent Padilla. Anong rango mo ngayon?
Senior Superintendent po.
When you were the warden of Davao Penal Colony, anong rango mo?
During that time, we are not yet modernized, yung 10575. I am the penal institution supervisor. Your Honor.
Okay, so now you're a full colonel, kumbaga.
Based po sa 10575 modernization.
Okay.
law.
So you're a beneficiary of the modernization
Yes, Your Honor.
because you were promoted. Is it because of your accomplishments, or is it because you were just a mere beneficiary of the modernization law?
because of the modernization law, not because of the promotion.
So wala kang meritorious achievement for the government to promote you to your rank now.
I mean, hindi po nangyari yon.
O sige. Alam mo, I think Senior Inspector Noni Foro was just telling the committee kung ano yung proseso. Kasi hindi naman nga tama na alam nila na malalagay sa Bartolina yung mga preso, pero yung boss nila, which is you, hindi mo alam.